a happy mom is a happy child. So kapag hindi ka happy as a mom, wala kang maibibigay sa iba, di ba? So it's very important to take care of yourself. Yes, like you said, people think that it's vain. And hindi siya vain kasi if you don't water your plant, kumbaga, if you don't water yourself, nourish yourself, you have nothing to give, di ba? It really comes from inside. So, and if you're not gonna take care of yourself, walang mag-aalaga sa'yo, di ba? Bilang mommies, tayo yung ilang ang tahanan. So we're responsible for so many people. Pagod tayo lagi, maraming ginagawa lagi. Ano? Pangit ka ba? Diba? Dapat talaga, we do what makes us feel good para we look our best and we feel our best. Diba? Exactly. It's not just about makeup or damit. It's really how do you feel about yourself inside. Which means eating healthy, exercising, also do